Okay, this is a review on the OPT7 60-inch Redline triple LED tailgate light with sequential amber turn signals, 1200 LED solid beam, purchased from Amazon. One of the problems I'm having is that the turn signals and the emergency flashers are shutting off prematurely. I mean, it technically should never shut off, but on the four-way flashers in particular. So now I'm gonna turn everything on, and hopefully the Bluetooth is still working. So here's the tail lights, then left turn signal, right turn signal, reverse, brake, and now I'm going to put on the four-way flashers and see how many minutes it takes for them before they shut off. And according to that little clock on the back of the motorhome, it's 7:35 a.m. It's a cloudy day, so the sun is somewhat reduced, plus it's in the barn. It does 2 to 3 flashes and then it misses. Okay, now it's down just to 1 flash. Okay, and now it just isn't working any longer at all. Okay, I'll go do the turn signals, see if we get the same results. This time I have a timer with me so I can count exactly how long it takes. Okay, so hazards are off, and now left turn signal. Actually, I'm going to start that over. I've got a timer now, so Okay, well, that's interesting. So once it reaches that interval, the turn signals don't work either. I'll try the right one. Okay, so the right one doesn't work either. I have another one, brand new. I ordered two, and so I'll get the other one and hook it up and see if there's a difference with that one. Okay, the brand new one is hooked up, and I'll go start the motor home and do the four-way flashers and see what happens. And of course I have the motor running as would be in real life. Okay, and now emergency flashers. So that you know it's the real thing. I'll try and I have emailed OPT7 customer service last week, but I've yet to receive any response on it. Don't know if this is a known issue or if I was just lucky. I've shown that there's an issue, and I'll just go download this and try and make it a little shorter. Hopefully we'll hear from OPT7 as to what the problem is. One final note, I double checked and it is running right at 14 volts, which is the charging voltage for a lead acid battery.